Hey, I got a cracked primer bulb on the old weed eater. Remember we replaced all the filters and everything on it here a few months ago. Well, we got to do this now, and I got some stuff to weed eat, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do it. Most commonly, from what I've seen, most of your weed eaters that have this primer bulb on it like that, it's pretty generally the same thing. Pop four screws out and then go. New primer bulb for this specific weed eater. Do not get the universal ones. They work sometimes, other times they don't. You don't have to take these screws all the way out that hold your carb into place, but you just need to back these out. You know, these screws right here, there's two screws, and then from there you can just pop these screws out. See, this is pretty dirty, so we're probably gonna have to wipe this off. Now, if yours is covered in crap, I recommend spraying it off, just so you don't get any of that crap in there. That was excessive. You don't always have to be that excessive when you do that. Just like that. Pop that crusty, cracked one out. Make sure, just go ahead and wipe this off. Since you're here, get a clean slate. If there's anything kind of on this surface, we'll clean that off just so we don't get any contaminants or anything in there clogging that up. Slap this new one in there. Goes like that. Torque it down when I get there. I'm gentle with it, just so everything's kind of lines up and that primer bulb gets in the groove. Move that back over. It's the only problem with this. Okay. You got to get that bulb in the groove. If you set it in there right the first time, you shouldn't have any problems. Knock on wood. Remember to tighten your carb back on. Hopefully, if everything went right, I can just put this on there. It's going to take a second. Make sure you get fresh gas. I know this has fresh gas in it, so. There we go. All right. We're on run. And there you you have it, folks. That's how you change your primer bulb out on your weed eater. And with Echo's line like this, the weed eaters, trimmers, all the trimmer sets, the pole saw, they all have the same carbs on them, so they all work. So thanks, folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and love y'all. Have a good one.